How to freeze a video frame in CapCut. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to our YouTube channel and let us get started. First thing first, let's go ahead and launch our CapCut. And here, tap on New Project. In my case, I'm going to go ahead and select my existing projects. Now this being your project, let's go ahead and zoom in. First of all, you have to select the portion of the video that you would like to freeze. In my case, I'm going to go ahead and select this one. Once done, tap onto the video, then tap on Split. Once you do so, let's also go ahead and end the timer here. Again, tap on Split. Now, in my case, I would like to freeze this portion of the video. Tap onto the portion of the video that you would like to freeze, swipe all the way to your left, then you will see the option of Freeze. Tap it. Just as you tap onto Freeze, it will create another clip for you. This being my original video, this is the portion that is automatically freezed by CapCut. In case you would like to shorten it, just crop it. Tap onto your video and minimize it. And just like so, this is how you can do it as well. As you can see that this portion of my video is freezed and the others are still moving. So that is all for today guys. Thank you for watching. We will catch you up in our next upload.